Oh, here's what I'm gonna say to Sangkay Janjan na Danmar Dayaw, Jordan Bunagan, Tata Emenilao, Marcos Sacalaman, and even other BBM bloggers there. When are you gonna, all of you, gonna stop for praising Bongbong Marcos, ha? He's really corrupt. Like I said before, I said to my folks sa mga kababayan kong Pilipino, I am here to deeply apologize to everyone na I apologize to Ma'am Teacher Kel, I apologize to Eskel Penubra, I apologize to Sir Calvin Cuevas and Teacher Jessa Fernandez, including Teacher Ruth Ibarrientos, and even to other people there, that I apologize, that I voted Bongbong Marcos, when Ate Isa says to me, di natin yan na alam kung bakit ang kasalanan natin binoto si Bongbong Marcos, because this is our fault. Alright, this is really what we truly are. That's what our fault was. I know, I say to Lawrence Villawan, Lawrence, nabudol na tayo ni Bongbong Marcos. I told him in Messenger, in the video call, and Lawrence Villawan says, oo nga, nabudol na tayo ni Bongbong Marcos. That's why we are being scammed by Bongbong Marcos. Millions of Filipinos who were being scammed by Bongbong Marcos. So what? I say to you, Sangkay Janjan, bayaran ka pala eh. And you know how many that you bully in social media. First of all, Mang Rodelio Daguman. Next is Mrs. Annie Gill, the mother of David, David Gill, And next, you bully anyone who were Duterte supporters. Ganyan ka bang ang ugali mo, Sangkay Janjan? And I say to you, why are you always like that? Ganyan ng pambubuli mo, like whatsoever, and you don't know what your truly was. Sangkay Janjan, ganyan talaga ang ugali mo. However, you don't know what you're doing. Or something you're just like, I don't know what your hell is you're doing. Here's what I can say to you, Sangkay Janjan. Why are you always like that? Why are you always being yourself a bully? Huh? First of all, you said protect BBM mo. And nobody to protect BBM. I say to you, Danmar Dayaw, wag ka kasi magpo-post ng mga Marcos sa TikTok. You know, Kuya Danmar Dayaw. Millions of Filipinos are being scammed by Bongbong Marcos. Just like I said to J. Rick Silva, nabudol na tayo ni Bongbong Marcos, di natin alam kung bakit ko yan na in-endorse, like me and Ate Isa. I explained it to J. Rick Silva, that we endorse Bongbong Marcos, me and Ate Isa. We don't know what is really happened. Hindi natin yan alam. And you know what? I say to you, Danmar Dayaw, Kuya Danmar, magnanakaw po si Bongbong Marcos. You know, Danmar Dayaw, you don't know what is a truly color was. If I say again, if I explain to Kuya Kopio, The Marcoses are the greatest thief of the Guinness World of Record. Oh, magnanakaw pala ang mga Marcos. Oh, hindi mo ba alam, Danmar? You don't know what is truly was? Oh, ARM, the kid, oh, he's anti-Marcos. Oh, he's joining to the people power. Oh, together with Ate Nenet. Oh, Ate Nenet will participate the people power. Oh, again, we can oust Bongbong Marcos. Oh, you know that, Danmar. Oh, Danmar Dayaw. Don't blame the Duterte supporters or Dilawan and activists. Wag mo kami tawagan ng Dilawan, aktivista, you don't know what you're doing. You know, Danmar, the real problem anyway, Kuya Danmar Dayaw, corruption in the Philippines. Nakakaproblema tayo ng korupsyon. You know, look at in South Korea, Germany, Japan, they didn't give loans to the Philippine government. Oh, because of Martin Romualdez and Zaldico, who were stealing the money to the Filipinos, ninakaw pala ang mga pera sa mga taong bayan. You don't know what is really happened was. Kuya Danmar Dayaw, Sangkay Janjan, Jordan Bunagan, Marcos Sakalaman, Tata Eminilao, and even even um, even um, um, Mami Ellen Olea, oh. I know Mami Ellen Olea, she's not really a Marcos loyalist, oh. If she didn't realize, if you see in this comic book, oh, in the Good Guinness World of Record, oh, ipakikita ko lang sa'yo, I said to my relative Mami Ellen, oh, Olea, oh, the Marcoses are the greatest thief in the Guinness World of Record, oh. And this one, Bongbong Marcos is convicted of plunder, of pork barrel scam. He was alongside with Jinggoy Estrada and Bong Revilla and Juan Ponce Enrile. They convicted of plunder. Oh, even Ferdinand Marcos Sr. and Imelda Marcos are convicted of plunder. Oh, and they don't know what is the truly color was. Oh, you know, Mami Ellen Olea, when you experience the EDSA people power, when there is, who's that, I remember, oh, Cory Aquino, nandun pala si Cory, oh. You know, Cory Aquino wants to establish, the presidential good and governance, or to investigate against Ferdinand Marcos Sr. and his wife Imelda Marcos asset, with their liability and asset. The asset is Bongbong Marcos. Oh, that is their asset that they are convicted of plunder. Oh, what I'm gonna say to those idiot BBM supporters? Oh, who is wrong anyway? Who's telling a lie? Oh, I'm not telling a lie. Hindi ako nagsisinungaling. Oh, you know, Matthew Timbal was right. The Marcoses are the greatest thief of the Guinness World of Record. I say to those idiot BBM supporters, oh, as Miggy Labitag, my nephew, oh, as Matthew Timbal, if you see in the screenshot that Bongbong Marcos and his father, Ferdinand Marcos Sr., were convicted by plunder. And and also money laundering. Because they are convicted of money laundering. And we don't know what is really happened was in the Philippines. If you say again, if you say about, for me, Nino Barsaga, I don't care about your accusations against the Duterte supporters. Wala akong pake pag kung minura mo pa ang mga DDS supporter, magsiminungaling ka pa, Nino Barsaga. Here is the one thing, Nino Barsaga. You tell you see in the screenshot from Matthew Timbal. You see the screenshot from Miggy Labitag. What they said. Oh, Miggy Labitag and Matthew Timbal were right. Magnanakaw pala ang mga Marcoses. You know that, Nino Barsaga. You don't know what is happening in the Philippines about corruption. And you say about PI. What are you, Nino Barsaga? You are a bald guy and you came from in Baguio City. And you criticize Duterte supporters are tanga. Tinawag mo kami tanga. Oh. Who is the fault anyway? All of you. All of you Marcos loyalists. That's all of your fault. Don't blame the Duterte supporters. As I am a Duterte supporter, I am against corruption of Bongbong Marcos. That's all.